All right, hey guys, if you are on this informative writing Google assignment, it's because you chose to do your exhibition issue on informative. And informative writing is the same type of writing that we did when you did about your natural disasters, about your when you wrote about your hurricanes, your tornadoes, tsunamis, whichever topic you did back then. So when you open this up, you are going to first, obviously, you are watching the video now. And your first assignment is going to come up to this. This is what you did when you did the hurricane assignment. So same thing. Everything has a clickable text box, so you should be able to click and write your own. So I'm going to just make this a little bigger so you can actually see while I'm explaining. So on your first thing, you're going to just practice writing four different topic hook sentences. So if you remember when you start writing, any informative paper needs to have like a strong lead, it needs to grab the reader's attention, and there's four different ways. We can ask a question like, have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Um, have you ever wondered how many animals are abused a year? Or any question that triggers people's brain to keep reading. You can give them an interesting fact, maybe an interesting fact that you learned and you just thought like, "Whoa, that is just shocking," and you wanna put it on here. An interesting fact I could write and say, "Do you know there are more captive tigers, um, in the US than actual tigers in the wild?" And that would be shocking to know that there's more tigers in captivity than in the actual wild. And then again, of course, you will try it. You will write your own based on your exhibition issue. And quote, if you can dream it, you can do it. These are the words that Walt Disney lives by. You can find a quote. You can even Google like quotes of animal abuse, and maybe some people will come, some important people will come out, or maybe quotes on um, equal rights for women or gender equality. Set the scene. It's like kind of giving a picture image. So imagine a place where women and men have equal rights. Everyone has a right to go to school, and nobody fights for equality. Or it's just kind of create a scene, whichever you want to do. So you're gonna click on the text box, and you're gonna write four different hook sentences. And then once you are done, you're gonna go on to the next slide. On this next slide, you're first going to write in just one big box. You're going to write your lead sentence from here. Pick one that is, for example, if I like the question one, you're going to come here and that's going to be your first sentence. Write your hook question. That's your lead. So here it is. So imagine a place, they picked the imagery one. And then your topic, so you're going to have that's your first sentence. Your second sentence is your topic. What are you going to teach people about? What is the main idea of your whole paper, which is technically your exhibition issue? So you're going to say, like, what is this whole paper about? Is it all about animal abuse? Is it all about sports injuries? Like, what are everybody going to learn about? Then you're going to create two or three sentences after that, and you're going to talk about the subtopics that you're going to teach people. So you can say, for example, if I'm doing, like, I would be doing it on um, are my coral reefs. So, for example, my lead would say, "Did you know the sunscreen you wear in the ocean is damaging the coral reefs and currently killing mm, coral reefs?" Some people will be like, "What? I didn't know that." That's my hook. My topic sentence after that would say, um, majority of swimmers currently buy drugstore or groceries buy sunscreen in the grocery stores and the pharmacy stores without looking at the ingredients in the back. Um, Sunscreen is affecting the coral reefs all over the world, and it's time to make a change. Okay, now my subtopics will be like your subtopics are your three lines of inquiry. What have you learned? So my first one would say I'm going to inform people about different subtopics. So I'm going to say not all sunscreens are created equal. It is very important to look at the ingredients in the back to make sure your sunscreen is coral reef. That's my first topic, the ingredients. The second subtopic sentence would read, um, I would probably tell them about what those ingredients are causing in the ocean. So I would say the ingredient, blah, 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 currently bleaches the coral reef, which is causing it to die. And it's affecting not only the coral reefs in the ocean, but the ocean life. That's my second subtopic. I'm not going to go into detail. I'm just quick topic sentence. My third one, I would mention about safe, um, actual safe sunscreens people should be purchasing. So I can, my third subtopic would be like, thankfully, there are alternatives to sunscreen and still enjoy the water. You can purchase sunscreen that is safe if you check for blah, 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 blah. Your another option could also be wearing sunscreen protective clothes and not having to wear sunscreen if you're going to go surfing or snorkeling or scuba diving, and then stop there. So I will type this out for you so you can visually see it. But those are your two things you're doing today. You're going to write four different hook sentences. Once you find one that you like the most, you write your hook on here. You write your topic, which is what your exhibition issue is about. So I should see in this paragraph, mm, I would say 4 to 5 sentences. I should not see anything less. One for your hook, one for your topic, and I should see 2 or 3 for your subtopic. All right. If you have any questions, again, message me on Google Hangouts. We can video call if we need to, or we can email me or Seesaw.